I need to get my feet back.
Hey, Marky. Marky. Take her. Doing work and whatnot.
Please make a mistake or something.
Wouldn't do it. What?